Some of you guys may know that I've been living in Uruguay for the last 23 years. I'm from the UK originally. I have never applied to become a citizen. After 23 years, I think it's time, don't you? So today I'm going to be going to the electoral court to make my application with my husband and our citizenship lawyer, Mark Teuten. We were hoping that we were going to be able to get a date, but unfortunately the agenda is full. But I'm in Maldonado right now, and you might be wondering, hey Karen, I thought that you lived in Montevideo. Why are you in Maldonado to do this? And I wanted to ask Mark to come on because he has been trying to get us an appointment for literally, how long, Mark?
6 months.
He says it feels like 6 months. All right, let me get him.
Well, it's been a nightmare in Montevideo. It's basically impossible. What we are being told is that they're allocating 15 spaces a week. There's an electronic agenda which opens 10 o'clock Monday, and we've been trying for months for Karen and for other clients to get appointments, and it's been impossible. So, and then perhaps in a month's time we'll be doing another video and be a bit more positive.